Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. So I manage the Google Ads account for several of my different local SEO clients, and I really encourage all of my clients to run ads along with local SEO for this specific reason. So I built all the campaigns, and I noticed that there were a few keywords that I did not add into the campaign that are triggering impressions. Things like evaporative, cooler, repair. Another one is evaporative, cooler, repair near me. These are two keywords that have a little bit of impressions over the last 30 days. Again, these are keywords that I did not add to the campaign, but they're closely related to terms like swamp cooler or swamp cooler repair or swamp cooler installation, for example. This is actually really important because I can see that these are keywords that I kind of overlooked via the local SEO strategy, and I only found them because of the search terms report within Google Ads. This is what I do next. So I'm going to demo off this within TM Blast, but really what I need to do is for their Google business profile, I need to go into their edit services section. And one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to add this under one of their core categories. So whether it's HVAC or it's AC, like air conditioner contract or anything else like that, I'm going to add this specific service in there. So evaporative, cooler, repair, installation, tune up, whatever the add-ons are to that keyword. That's going to be important because otherwise Google really doesn't understand that my client actually does this from their Google business perspective. So that's number one. Number two, what I always recommend is to create updates around this. So updates are a very minor ranking factor, but they show freshness. So obviously, when I'm recording this, it's May 27th. So it's only going to get hotter. So it's really important to create updates around this particular service. So what I try to do with my clients is I get photos from them, what the team doing in installation or repair or tune up. And I'm actually going to post this and on their account to help with the freshness to kind of show that for potential clients, hey, they've been actually doing a lot of these type of projects that can help the click-through rate and also call rate as well. That's number two. Number three, what you can do is, so I have a products carousel over here. I recommend to add that into your Google business profile. So again, evaporative, cooler repair, installation, tune-up, service, everything else like that. Put it in there. Then finally, view all Google reviews. So I'm going to click on this, see what comes up for me. If possible, you can do a Control F to see if anyone has left a review around that particular service. Make sure that you kind of go in and you can actually then edit your review and actually include that keyword as well. So a lot of times, local SEO clients will reach out to me, and when I do a either an hourly review or if I take them on as a client, I know a lot of times people will just respond with thank you. Instead, what you want to say is something like, "Hey, we're really glad that we're able to, service your evaporative cooler or repair or tune up or replacement, whatever that is. Reinforce the service that you provided. That's going to be picked up by Google. So when you run your local Falcon scans or your SEMrush scans for that particular keyword, you're going to see over time that you're improving your keyword rank, hopefully getting more leads for your business. But really to reiterate this, if I go back into Google Ads and I'm looking at the keywords report, and then I did the search terms specifically, this information is so valuable for any local SEO strategy because I can say, hey, here's some keywords that I haven't really thought about that people are actually searching for. They're triggering my client's account. And I'm going to add that now to the Google business profile. It's some of the ways that I kind of highlighted. Run the local Falcon scan, see if I can actually improve the share of local voice to get them even more leads for their business. And all came from the Google Ads report. But anyway, I want to record this video kind of how I think about how I manage both the PPC side and the SEO side. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and as always, have a good rest of your day.